Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Ever wanted to start an AIO fan model business, but don't have time to chat all day? Or maybe you're just not great at chatting and selling content yourself. What if there was a way to automate the whole process? Chatting, selling, and earning, even while you sleep? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what dFans promises to do. But how does it work? Is it really that easy to set up? And can an AI chatbot actually sell your content for you? In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything step by step, from signing up to setting up your chatbot and even making your first sale. Let's find out if dFans really lives up to the hype. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be taken straight to the dFans dashboard. Right away, you'll notice how clean and user-friendly the interface is. To get started, just click the Become a Creator button. You can sign up using your email or directly with your Google account. I'll go ahead and choose the Google option. After signing up, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, you'll need to fill in some basic details like your username, country, and region. You'll also be asked to select the type of content you plan to create. This could be gaming, music, dance, fitness, or anything else. Optionally, you can add a link to your other fan pages, like FanView or OnlyFans. Then, select how you found dFans. Options include Telegram, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Google, and more. I'll go ahead and choose YouTube. There's also an optional invitation code section. You can leave it blank or enter a code if you have one. Once all that's done, click the Submit button. You'll see a pop-up saying your creator account has been approved. It's that quick and easy. After that, click on the Create Subscription Types button to move to the next step. Now let's talk about setting up your profile. This is your public-facing creator identity. You can start by uploading a profile image, entering your display name, and writing a short headline or bio about yourself. You'll also need to set your location. For this example, I'll just type Holland. Once that's complete, it's time to create your first subscription tier. If you get a message about unsaved changes, just hit Confirm to continue. On the subscription tier page, enter a title. For example, Earn Money Online. Then set the price per month. I'll use $30 per month as an example. Next, add the tier benefits. This is where you let your subscribers know what they'll receive. For example, you can write exclusive content and early access to posts. Next, let's set up a promotional bundle to attract new subscribers. Scroll down to the subscription bundle section. Add a discount. I'll go with 15%. Then set the duration. For example, 3 months. Once that's done, hit the Save button. And just like that, you've created your profile, your subscription tier, and your first promotional offer. Everything is set up and ready to start earning. After completing your subscription trial setup, click the Save button to continue. Now, let's move on to the Chat tab. This is where you'll find some powerful features to enhance communication with your fans. First, you can restrict message access to only paid subscribers by toggling the Don't Allow Messages from Free Followers option. You can also send a welcome message to new fans. Just type your message in the box. For example, "Hello everyone, welcome to my page," and click Save. Next, you'll see the option to start your AI Chat Companion trial. This feature lets you create an AI persona that chats and sells content for you. And the best part? It's powered by dFans and runs completely free using USDT credit. To create your AI bot, simply add your name, select your gender, optionally enter your birthday, and choose your preferred language. Once that's done, click Save. Now let's upload your paid photos so your AI chatbot can sell them during conversations. Click Upload, then choose the image you want to sell. Add a title, for example, Daily Earnings, and set the price. I'll go with $10 for this one. Click Save, and that's it. Your content is now ready to be offered by the chatbot automatically during chats. Let's explore a few more dashboard features. Click on the Home tab, where you'll see several management tools. The Message button lets you manage your chat views. You can see all the chat info here. The Collections button shows your current stats, like the number of purchases, fans, followers, and blocked users. You can also manage your posts here. Mine is empty right now since this is a new account. You'll also find the Subscriptions tab and the My Wallet tab, where you can track all your earnings. Inside My Wallet, you can see your wallet address along with balances in USDT, ETH, and SOL. Moving on, click the Vault tab. This is where all your media, messages, posts, and AI chat logs are stored. It's a great central place to manage everything. Then head over to the Statistics tab to check your performance. You'll see detailed breakdowns of your earnings, shares, audience reach, and referral data. Everything is tracked for easy analysis. If you want to schedule posts ahead of time, the Queue tab is the place to go. It opens a calendar view where you can choose a future date and time, add your post, and schedule it with one click. It's a perfect tool for creators who like to stay organized and plan ahead. Lastly, don't forget to check out the More tab to explore additional features and settings that dFans offers. Overall, dFans is a powerful and easy-to-use platform, ideal for creators who want to automate chats, sell content effortlessly, and manage their entire fan business from one place. The sign-up link is available in the video description, so be sure to check it out. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.